Who we got here? Oh, hi. Oh, okay. I didn't even push the button. They got my boy. I didn't even see that, a flagship. Let's see, do you do something? No? Alright. Is it broken? Well, that's not good. It just keeps going. Hello, Gordo. How you doing?
Don't be afraid. Your time has come. Join me now and forever. We will own the night.
It's really cool. Alright. Oh, little scaly bones. Oh. Sorry, his performance is like really foamed in. Hello. I love that door. That's really cool. So I'm kind of stuck inside. There's a tornado watch going on right now, or a tornado warning. There's something going on right here, so I'm kind of stuck in the building. Let's take a quick look at the decorations here. I like the skull pile down here. I think the middle one lights up purple, right? Yeah. I haven't seen this yet. The snakes. Ooh, it's a two-headed snake. Nice. Got some vampire skulls. That's really cool. Oh, these are like full too, like not like full, but they're kind of like heavy. So that's a lot of plastic going in that. Got some body parts here. We got skeleton hand, bloody arm, severed arm. Got some neck chains. Got a pig limb here. That's creepy. Ew. Got a pig head here. Ew. It's creepy. Got a stitched up guy here. Ew. That's weird. Got some dead bodies down here. I don't have this one yet. This is the only one I'm missing from my collection of little display stings. On this side, we got some nice little props here. Looks like Sunstar stuff, I guess. Creepy. Let's see what we got here. What do? You light up. Anticlimactic, but okay. Little Sam here. I think this will be just as good as the animatronic, I think. Scarecrow, which I did not get any kind of... Oh, you got a leather face this time. What do you do? Your eyes light up. Nice. Let's see, we got a 4 foot long thing. Goofy, but I love it. Oh my god, Eternal Rest is getting on my nerves. What do you do? Nothing? Okay, cool. What about you, Mr. Devilman? Vintage hanging devil. Nothing. Awesome. Got a bunch of skulls and skeletons and things over here. Skull wind chime. I like that idea, actually. That's creepy. That's for, like, Texas Chainsaw stuff. Got a normal skeleton. That reminds me of an old indie game. Just this. It's silly. So there's a... Oh, this one's got the eyes. You know what I'm talking about, right? The LED eyes and stuff. That's nice. So normal skeleton, limbless skeleton, mini skeleton, skeleton premium. That, I think I have that. Two-headed skeleton, one-headed skeleton, little stuff. Really nice overall. I like all this stuff. These dolls are really creepy. They would go great with Abandoned Annie, and maybe even Darling Dolly now that that's the thing. Empty girl, or empty soul girl on a swing, that's really cool. Swinging witch, creepy crimson girl on a swing, very nice. Got these dolls right here, decrepit haunted doll, what do you do? Anything? Try me. Oh, okay, you gotta... Come on, heard something. No? Okay. Pumpkin Nester, what about you?
Come in, are you looking for Peter Pumpkin Eater? Turns out he had that whole thing backwards, and he was crunchy too!
Ew. Lovely Lilith, ooh, you're creepy, ew. I'm trying it. No go. Cool. Alright, one of my favorite sections in Spirit is the mask. Let's see what we got here. We got a Dark Lord, AK. What the flip? Okay, Baphomet, I see you. Very nice. Nice. It is really windy in this area, so I apologize if there's any noise. That's interesting. I had to put that back. There we go. Oh, no. Okay. Never touch that again. Jack-o'-lantern. Got a skeleton evil ghost. I'm just gonna go over it quickly. I love this stuff. Peekaboo. Star Wars mask. I like Star Wars. I'm a nerd. Got this looks like creepypasta stuff here. I have no idea what they're playing in the background, but I really wish I could turn that down. Just all of this music in general. This always looked like the Hauntress to me. The wire mask here. There, you can see, there we go. Oh, okay, it lights up like that. Huh. Nice. Going through a quick little walkthrough right quick at the mausoleum because this is my favorite display ever, actually. I love mausoleums. So, let me read the signs here. It says, here lies menacing Molly. Her laugh will echo through the ages. Too empty. Oh, looks like something should be there. Here lies Hugs the Clown. We will all sleep under the big top. Poor guy's gone. Here lies Cerberus. Every dog has its day. So, here lies Henry Hustle. All in for one last laugh. Poor guy. Let's see. Here lies Grim. One big bag of bones. Grim is not done yet. He's coming out. Here lies Ophelia. Her silence spoke volumes. I don't remember what Ophelia was. Here lies Buzzsaw, a cut above the rest. This is here lies Nightcrawler. Why the long face? Poor guy. Oh, okay, hi. And with that, I will see you all in the next video.